Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today I want to show you guys this custom order from, let me see, this custom order from Kyle, yes. And yes, and she just made a sketch on the paper, and okay, let me show you. She just made a sketch on the paper, and I just copied the file from the copy machine, and you can see here are her sketching. Yes, every details, the raw card pocket in the dark night layer, and the clean card pocket in the sapphire layer, something like that. She all just writing very clearly, and I just all follow her mentions to make this cover. Yes, we can see, and she chose the main cover in the Glossy old boots, so we can see the main cover is the Glossy old boots. Yes, and the one folio pocket in the dark night. Yeah, it's just very fun. If you have the sketch, you have the quick sketch to me, or you have any plan you want to design on your planner, on your cover, and you can just do similar things to me. Yeah, and that will help me to do the best, and evenly with all similar you want to you. Okay, so let's go check inside, and small button here. Yeah, and you can see the button and the cover there has a space in here. Yes, because I add a small piece in the middle of the button and the cover. Yes, because some buttons, they are very flat in the back, so if I don't add one, if I don't add one layer, small layer in the middle, and it will just very difficult to let the elastic to slide into the button. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so let's check inside. Okay, you can see this is the back pocket. It's the dark night. She has the writing here. Yeah, and the leather patch holder in the sapphire cell. So sapphire is a deep, very deep blue leather. So if you don't put them together, and I usually to confuse about this sapphire is dark blue or this is the black leather. That's just very easy to confuse. But now we putting that together, and you can just easily to see, oh, this is blue one and this is the black one. Okay, and come back to the band package she want. You can see she writing here, she drawing here, and this is the raw edge, just similar, just like what she want. You can see this is the dark night layer here, and this is with a clean cut. Yeah, this is a clean cut layer. Yeah, and the back she want the dark night too. Okay, so now we turn it to the back. You can obviously to see, okay, this true, all the dark night, all the black layer, and to compare with the leather patch holder here, and you can see, yeah, this is the sapphire, this is deep blue leather. Now I can just very easy to tell you the leather is what color. Yes, because they're putting together. Oh, they're really just difficult, because the light in my house here is all warm light, and there I don't have the very powerful and strong, powerful and very white and crystal light in my house. So sometimes my eyes just very get tired, and I cannot recognize the layer's color immediately. So I usually need to ask Wayne to help me. Hey, what color is this and what color is that? But I'm not colorblind. Okay, I'm just sometimes you focus on the walking, and you just keep walking, and you you just don't let your eyes to take a rest, and you will just easy to lose the colors recognition or something like that. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, but I'm so happy that I usually can make all the missions that you guys want me to do, and I can do it, and I feel so excited. Okay, so this is the custom orders today, and I wish you guys will love it. Okay, and this is the standard. This is a standard regular. Oh, why I forgot? Sorry. No, and in all boots. Okay, very beautiful. Okay, wish you guys will love this video today, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.